In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Now click on the search bar and type in facebook.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Facebook. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is go to settings. For that, click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now click on the option settings. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of Facebook. If you look at left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option account center that you can see at top. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the account center. You'll be able to find various options related with your account over here. Under the section for account settings, at first you'll be able to find this option for password and security. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for login and recovery, at second you'll be able to find this option for two-factor authentication. Click on it. Now after you do that, choose an account in order to set up the two-factor authentication. Simply click on the account of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to set up the two-factor authentication. If you're accessing these settings for the first time, you'll also be asked to enter the code sent to your email. Simply enter the code over there and you can see over here, you'll be able to select the method of setting up the two-factor authentication. You'll be able to find two options over here, SMS or WhatsApp security keys. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option, SMS or WhatsApp. Now click on the continue option. Now after you do that, you'll have to provide the phone number. What you have to do is click on the field of phone number and enter the phone number over here. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the confirmation code will be sent to the phone number that you just entered. What you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now if the code that you entered is correct, this particular phone number will be added as a two-factor authentication method. Now whenever you're trying to log into your account, you'll have to go through the authentication process in order to log in. This adds the extra layer of security to your account. So that is how you enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.